So I bought this truck camper yesterday and gonna do a full clean of it, deep clean, and hopefully put a little truck cab camper down the back and scrub to the top. But now the back of my truck is a little bit of a mess, so I'm gonna have to clean it out and get it ready for the construction. Next, we're going to do some cutting and put the basic frame together. So I just finished up painting the inside. It's looking a lot better. Next thing I'm going to work on is the countertop. We have this old desk, solid wood. And I'm going to see if I can reuse that for my countertop and some of the cubbies. Assistants doing the drawers, and they turned out really nice. Second one, cut out for the other two are right there.